Hey guys, today I'm diving deep into a topic that can really level up your Amazon KDP account. It's finding the best niches. So, here's the plan with this video. The first half is tailored for beginners, offering a straightforward free method that you can try out right on Amazon, no special tools required. Even if you're just starting today, you'll be able to follow along. Then, in the second half, we'll shift gears to a more advanced strategy, the exact process I personally use. Don't worry if you're a newbie, I'll guide you step by step so you can tackle the advanced method too. Before we dive into the course, let's quickly discuss why niche research is so crucial for success on Amazon KDP. Over the past few years, it's become wildly popular, especially for creating low-content books like blank journals. This surge in popularity has created fierce competition. If you approach KDP by randomly choosing ideas and publishing books, chances are high that others have already done the same. Your book could end up buried on the 10th page or beyond in Amazon's search results, making it nearly invisible unless you invest in ads. That's where niche research comes in. By taking the time to identify topics that people are searching for, but that don't yet have a ton of competition, you can position your books to be more discoverable. This is the sweet spot, finding niches with high search demand and low competition. This way, your books can organically gain visibility and sales without requiring ad spend. It should underscore just how essential niche research is to your success. Now let's get to the fun part, the practical steps. I'll show you how to do beginner-friendly niche research directly on Amazon. Start by opening Amazon in an incognito or private browser window. This step ensures that the search results aren't influenced by your personal account history, giving you a more accurate picture of general trends. It's important to realize that Amazon KDP encompasses a wide range of book categories, each of which can be treated as its own niche. First, let's discuss word search books. Unlike blank journals, essentially lined pages with minimal design, which are easy for anyone to create, word search books come with a built-in barrier to entry. They require actual word search puzzles, which take some know-how to create. This additional effort discourages many creators, leaving less competition for those willing to put in the work. So, if you're just starting out, I strongly suggest focusing on this niche. With the importance of niche selection clarified, we can now get back to the computer and continue with the step-by-step strategy. The first step is simple. Head to the Amazon search bar and type in word search books. From here, you'll uncover all kinds of opportunities. You can type a phrase such as word search puzzles into Amazon's search bar, hit the space bar, and then add the letter A. Amazon, anticipating that you're trying to complete the phrase, provides a list of suggestions based on popular search terms. These auto-suggestions are generated because people search for them frequently, which means they come with plenty of search traffic. Starting with A, you'll see results like word search books for adults, adults large print, adults with hard puzzles. Each of these is a potential niche you could explore. After gathering ideas from the A results, you move on to B, where you might see other suggestions. The process continues with C, yielding ideas such as for Christmas, for couples, or for children. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity and speed. You can generate tons of niche ideas in just a few minutes without spending a dime. This strategy is perfect for beginners. While it shows what people are searching for, it doesn't provide critical information about how many people are searching for each term or how much competition exists in that niche. That's where a more advanced strategy comes into play, requiring the use of specialized tools. For this advanced approach, I use a tool called BookBolt. This platform not only assists with creating word search books, including covers and interior designs, but also features a niche research tool. Let me be upfront. BookBolt is a paid service. They offer two plans, Newbie and Pro. To create word search books, you'll need the Pro plan since it includes the puzzle creation software. However, they do offer a 3-day free trial, so you can follow along with this tutorial without committing right away. Once you've logged into BookBolt, head to the Keywords tool. Here you'll find two options, Search and Favorites. Start with Search, where you'll type in word search and initiate the query. This tool pulls data directly from Amazon's marketplace and shows not only the search terms people are using, but also the monthly search volume for each term. For efficiency, expand the results list to display 100 entries at a time. While these can spark creative ideas, the real gold lies in the alphabetical results. Scroll past the numbers to the letters, where you'll uncover niche themes starting with A and continuing onward. This method provides far more detail than simply relying on Amazon's auto-suggestions, giving you insight into both search volume and potential competition. By combining the beginner-friendly alphabet method with this advanced tool, you'll be well-equipped to identify promising niches for your Amazon KDP projects. As I explore the keyword suggestions in BookBolt, some really interesting niches start to pop up, like ABC word search, children's word search, advanced word search, and even adventure word search. Now, a quick tip here. If you come across ideas that spark your creativity or feel like something you'd enjoy making a book about, don't overthink the search numbers. If BookBolt includes them in its list, it's a good indicator that there's a viable audience for those niches. Of course, seeing a high search volume is exciting, but it's not the only factor to focus on. Just trust the process and save ideas as you go. Anxiety-themed word search books sell well. It would be great for customers looking for relaxing or stress relief puzzles. There's an endless array of possibilities here. The key is to work through all the options, from A to Z, and bookmark the ones that resonate with you. By the time you finish going through the list, you'll have up to 500 unique ideas saved. Instead of just searching for word search, I might try variations like Word Search Book, which opens up 700 results with slightly different themes. From there, I can also search for terms like Word Find and Word Puzzle, which are alternative ways people might describe these types of books. Each variation offers more potential niches to explore. By repeating the process for each keyword, I expand my pool of ideas dramatically. Now, if I want to assess how competitive a specific niche is without scrolling endlessly, I can mark it and immediately add it to my saved list. This is a fast and efficient way to identify and organize niche ideas for further research. That's the gist of how the search function works in BookBolt. This step is all about gathering as many creative, viable niche ideas as possible. From here, I'll refine and prioritize these ideas as I move forward in the process. Finally, let's get into some other highly lucrative niches within Amazon KDP that are perfect for kickstarting your journey. These niches are high demand, minimal competition, and have exceptional earning potential. The first niche is addition and subtraction workbooks. It has a niche score of 53 and about 400 competitors on Amazon. It represents a low competition opportunity. A top seller in this niche can earn approximately $48 daily, translating to a monthly profit of over $1,400. Next is a big kindergarten workbook, which carries a niche score of 69 on Amazon. A seller can achieve daily earnings of $96 from 79 sales, amounting to about $2,900 in monthly profits. One of the most promising niche is the Logic workbooks for kids, featuring a top niche score of 74 and about 1,600 competitors. A top seller here can earn over $200 daily, resulting in a remarkable monthly profit of over $7,000. Each of these niches offers a unique opportunity to capitalize on high demand and low competition. Well, that sums it up, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.